Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, the place where we make tech easy. Today, I'm going to show you how to change the workgroup name in Windows 11. A quick and simple tweak that can help with network organization, especially in home or small office setups. If this helps you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Before we dive in, let's quickly go over what a workgroup is. In Windows, a workgroup is a group of computers on a local network that can share files, printers, and other resources. It's mostly used in small networks without a dedicated server. Changing the workgroup name can help organize multiple PCs in the same group or separate them if needed. All right, let's get started. Click on the Start button and search for Workgroup. Click on the first result. In the System Properties window, go to the Computer Name tab. Here, you'll see your current PC name, and you can change it from here if you want. You can also change the workgroup. To change it, click Change. A new window will appear. At the bottom, you'll see a section labeled Member Of. Select Workgroup, and then type in your desired workgroup name. Click OK. You'll be prompted to restart your computer. Click OK again, and then restart when prompted. Once your PC restarts, it will now be part of the new workgroup you just set. And that's it. You've successfully changed your workgroup name in Windows 11. If you have multiple devices, make sure they all have the same workgroup name to easily share files and printers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.